Namaste everyone. My name is Devi Pratiksha and today we are going to practice Gomukhasana. Go means cow and Mukh means face. So the position of this asana is like a cow's face. The benefits of this asana are that you become peaceful, intelligent and very healthy like a cow. It also helps with high BP patients and asthmatic patients. So let's start. For Gomukhasana, first you have to sit in this position and then place your legs in a way that one leg is upwards and one is down like this. The leg which is up and the same hand needs to be up, and the one that is down, the same hand needs to be down, and then you have to hold both of the hands like this. 5 deep breaths during the asana. Then relax. Now let's do the other side. Breathe deeply. You can do this exercise 3 times a day from both the sides. Bye. See you next time. Namaste.